Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. Today I'm going to talk about IT real world problem and solutions with respect to a specific language. I chose here Java is the language to solve those problems. Let us understand the problem. The problem is something like this. I have a collection of person. Each person has two attributes. For example, say name and age. I wanted to find collection of person whose age in range between say 20 to 30. Say from the big bunch, I wanted to filter only specific age based range data. So how I am going to apply here as a partition data, because from the big bunch I wanted to form only the specific set which is of a partition kind. So example input data is, say the name of the person is XYZ, age is 20, ABC 35, MNO 25, PQR 15, like so forth. You have huge collection list with you. So we wanted to find based on the age range. So age range, it is falling 20 to 30 is XYZ and MNO. So this is the problem statement which we are going to solve. Okay. So the prerequisite of the core Java must need JDK 14, and I'm using here Java 18, IntelliJ Eclipse, Maven build tool, internet connectivity, and advanced Java developers. This is the reference URLs to download the JDK. Now let's jump into the hands-on so that you can see how we can solve these problems in real time. My workbench is ready. I'm going to create a person which is using Java 14, the record type. I chose record. Here I say string name and then age integer. Okay, now my model object is ready, or Pojo. This call it as Pojo, plain old Java object. So now how I am going to build the simple logic. If we use older versions of Java, we have to build a lot of complex algorithms using comparator, all those things. So the same thing using Java 8 achieved in 2 lines of code. That means the boilerplate code completely get rid out from Java. That's the advantage which is supported from Java streams and the associated utility libraries. Now I specify person app. Say this is the main class which I'm going to have. So let me create list of person. I defined a person object, person list. I would say arrays. I use a flexible library dot as list. I create new person. Say XYZ, age is 20 according to what we discussed. Let's put this into multiple lines so that it is easy for us to add. So MNO, I say 25. The PQR, name of the person, say 35. Some range, whatever you want, you can definitely write it. This is an exercise. Say 10 JKL 40 STU A 2 DEF, the name of the person, and say age is 5 and so forth. Okay, so my input data set is ready. So I need to build the logic. How I'm going to build the logic? So let me go ahead and say create private static list of person, get person by age range. This is my name of the method. I specify list person. This is the input which I needed. So let me break this so that you can easily see the things. And then integer from age, I say integer to age. This is the range which I wanted to calculate. How I'm going to build that logic is the concern. So I use Java 8 stream dot collection dot stream, then I apply partition by. So here I'm going to collect. Collectors is the utility. So I'm going to use collectors dot partition by. So where I can go ahead and specify a filter, the predicate, so that it is easy for me to collect all the results. P dot age, I would say greater than or equal to from age, and P dot age less than or equal to age. So this will give me what are the range which we have specified, either true or false. So now we can say that person map, if it is falling in this age range criteria, we are going to get the true, the map result with the list of persons. Otherwise we will get false, which is not falling into this age range. So we wanted return person map dot get true is the key. Okay, so this is true, which will give us the list. Let's go ahead and print that. Get person by range, I specify here person list, say 20, say 30. This is my input. I'm getting the results. I say sys out person by age. I'm printing on the console the same. So let's go ahead and see how flexible the Java 8 has been, arrived, and to build the partition based. You can specify, depends on your criteria as per your object structure. So this will give you, so in this exercise we can see 20, 25, and that's all. That will fall into the range which we have defined. Let's see the testing. Now you can see that this is perfect. Say if I'm changing to this to say 30, we will get 3 records. Now you can see 20, 25, 30 because I'm calculating the partition logic based on the age range from also including also including. So whichever is falling in that, we have done it in single line of code. So this is so sweet to learn according to new technology which is derived from the Sun or Oracle. So that's all about it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe it. Stay tuned for new more updates. Until then, thanks.